Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back with a brand new video. Okay, so today's video is gonna be a lot different than my regular vape videos. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna put this on my main channel or my vape channel. Probably my vape channel, just due to the fact that I haven't really posted much on my main. And it's like already later out, it's like almost 6 o'clock. And I don't really have a video idea for today. Like, as you can tell, my hands are all dirty. And I'm probably just gonna vlog and talk to you guys. So I apologize if this video is not for everybody, but I did tell you guys I was gonna do some vlogging on this channel. So if you do not like my vlogs and my speeches with vaping, click off. No need to comment something stupid or dislike the video, just click off. There's tons of other creators who posted today on vape stuff. So you know what, I apologize to you guys. I mean, if my content is not for you, you guys don't have to comment. Like, there was this one comment where this guy said shitty intro, shitty outro for a bad video or something like that, and I don't know what his deal was. So I'm getting a little bit of hate, which doesn't bother me at all. Usually the people that are hating on me have like 1 or 2 subscribers. I've never been hated on by a bigger channel, which is hilarious because people try to tell me different, but obviously it's not working for them. Even though it's not that big of a deal to like 1,000, but it is. Like, think about it. I went to high school and I have more subscribers than what was in my high school and my town that I live in. So that's kind of cool. I mean, between both my channels, I have over the whole population of where I live, which is kind of cool. But anyways, guys, so today I'm just gonna like kind of talk to you guys about something that's actually really important. If you guys are YouTube creators also and love to post content, this could be useful for you guys. So let's jump right into the video. The reason why I don't have another banger video for vaping is because I've been working on my new sled. That's how my sled should look, okay? A complete sled. This is how my sled is, in literally a million pieces. There's nothing that's put on this thing right now. Bang, there's another part, and yeah, it's kind of just wide open. I'm just kind of going through it and cleaning it all up and stuff. And I know the lighting's like kind of weird in the garage, like it looks kind of like yellowish. But yeah, I'm kind of just going through my sled today. I woke up at like 8. I did my thumbnail and like went through my whole YouTube, and I've just been going through the internet today and trying to find video ideas to rack up because I am daily uploading. But yeah, that's pretty well why I don't have a video today, because usually I wake up and start filming right away. But I decided I was like, wasn't really thinking about it. I kind of just was like, I'm gonna go clean my sled. And then it ended up being already 6 o'clock. But anyways, you guys, today's video, I just wanted to like kind of vlog, but there is a big issue going on, and I'm gonna put my camera somewhere. Move some stuff so I can actually sit. So guys, the camera is slanted because it is sitting on my other snowmobile. But if this video is definitely gonna get demonetized. Like, if you look at my thumbnails and my just titles back like a few months ago, before 2018, you could tell that they all had vape in the title or anything like that. And then if you look at my new titles, I wanna fix this camera because it's gonna give me cancer. They're all say mods or they don't say vape, and you might wonder why. And I find like if I put vape or smock, I can't even put smock in the title anymore because it gets demonetized, which is really stupid. I mean, it's more, I'm not trying to like push, like, I am trying to push vaping and like give you guys knowledge and stuff and like, help the community out, but YouTube will not allow smoking or dangerous activities. But this is more educational purpose channel and experiments. And for some reason, if this was back in 2014, 2015, all my videos would have blown up because YouTube was way better back then, and now YouTube is dying. I know it is. People may argue with me, people may agree with me, but I can't even put fucking vape in the title. It gets demonetized, age restricted, and sometimes some of my videos could be watched by younger viewers, like just like little DIY videos. For some reason, YouTube has changed so much this year already. They said 2018 was gonna be the best year on YouTube, and there was gonna be, from now till 2021 or 2020, there's gonna be like another 3 billion people coming on or some bullshit like that. So you would think they would get their act together, but what I'm thinking is gonna happen on YouTube is everyone's career is gonna die unless they do something. Tanner Braungardt, I don't know if you guys watch him, but I've been watching him for a while. He's a year younger than me and he's from Kansas. He makes vlogs and he kind of inspired me to get on the vlog and trampoline thing, if that makes sense. But yeah, he has been getting demonetized every fucking video, okay? I tweeted at YouTube this, where I say, why is all your videos getting age restricted at Team YouTube? Get your shit together. Damn. People are making 6 digits, 5 digits, 4 digits, 3 digits on YouTube. People rely on YouTube for their job, and they've been doing it for how long? They have enough money, you know, but still, people have to work. And if YouTube is their job, YouTube is their boss, why is it crashing all of a sudden? If so many people are coming onto your website, why is it all of a sudden crashing? These people need to get paid. If you think about it, if they don't get paid, all these people ball out and are stupid with their money, and they buy all these designer clothes because they're making so much on YouTube. Now it's falling down. But yeah, I just felt bad for him because I mean, he's like a really good YouTuber and his views are crashing and everything's crashing down. And it's like same with my buddy Mitchell. All his videos are getting demonetized, and none of them are even like harmful to people. They're trucking videos and snowmobiling videos. Why is everything getting demonetized? That's why I believe YouTube is crashing. If you have like any questions or anything, you could shoot them down in the comments, or if you want to have a talk about this, shoot them down in the comments, because I tweeted out Ryan Hall, if you guys know who he is, because obviously I passed 1,000 subscribers and I way overpassed 4,000 hours watched on my YouTube channel. So, and I'm about to hit 100,000 views, but I wanted to obviously find out how he can put smock or vape titles on his videos and still get ads on them, because anytime I put smock or vape, demonetized, no ads. So it kind of pisses me off because, you know, I'm trying to do this as a living, and when they're taking all the money away, it's kind of hard, you know what I mean? And it demotivates me. If they were giving me the proper revenue and everything, I'd be Metro booming for you guys, you know, but it is getting harder and harder each and every day to push videos. I'm just doing it because I love it. I don't really care about the money, but it does get annoying when ads can't even go in your video because you're doing something to help everybody out in the vaping community. And it's such a fast growing community. They need to think over their shit, what the hell they're doing. But anyways guys, a short little video. I don't really have much to do today, so I thought I'd just talk about something little on YouTube, because this is a part of what I'm doing, and it's like some of you guys should probably know what's going on. But I'm gonna be back 110% tomorrow. 12:30, you guys be there. I'm gonna drop a banger video. I might do a prank. If you guys wanna see a prank on this channel, like to do with vaping or smoking on my mom, drop a thumbs up if we break like 30 likes and you guys kind of tell me what kind of prank to drop her. Now I was thinking about smoking in the house or vaping in the house. She does not let me vape in the house. Any circumstances, if my fan's on, if my window's open, she says no, so I always wait for her to like go do something and then I vape in the house. But usually I come in the garage if I'm gonna vape because she will get mad. So if you guys want to see her reaction of me vaping in the house, I'll do it because it's for you guys. Or if you want to see like a different type of prank on her, drop it down below guys. Let's reach a high amount of likes on this video. I miss seeing like this video got 500 likes. Like I want to get my likes back up there. So let's go baby. I'll be back tomorrow at 12:30 guys. Be ready. I'm gonna drop a banger. Peace out. Thank you guys so much for the support lately. It actually means a lot. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're at like 1.2K now, so I appreciate that guys. Keep this support coming. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.